Hello, hi, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay. See, today I'm going to discuss about what? ARM templates. Okay, yeah. So, what is the ARM? What is the full form of the ARM?
Azure Resource Management.
Yeah, Azure Resource Manager. Okay, Azure Resource Manager. Okay, yeah, next. So, Azure Resource Manager, this is Microsoft native languages. Okay, Microsoft has developed this ARM template using JSON. What is the full form of the JSON? JavaScript, okay, object notation. What is that? JavaScript object notation. What is the JSON? JavaScript object notation. Okay, the ARM template Microsoft has developed, okay, using JSON. So I can say ARM template code. What is that? ARM template code. It is a native language for what is that? Azure. It is native language for Azure. Clear? Okay. So these ARM template cannot work in other cloud technologies like AWS, Google, okay, and the Salesforce ARM, etc. etc. So this is going to be duplicate, guys. Okay, as per Microsoft statement, it is going to be duplicate maybe in another 1 year. In place of that, they are introducing bicep. Bicep. What is the file? If I create bicep file, the extension also dot bicep, guys. Okay, they are going to override ARM template with bicep. That is one language. Just it will reduce the code. Okay, forget about it bicep at this moment. Okay, now let us discuss about only ARM template. Okay, yeah, next. So generally, when you try to create any service in Azure, by default, internally it is converting into ARM template, that is JSON file. Then that template is submitting to backend team. Okay, based on that, it will automate and create required services in Azure. Okay, created required services in Azure. But every service it contains two files. How many files? Two files. One is template.json. Other one is what? Parameter.json. Okay, parameter.json. As usual, guys, parameters in the sense you know, right? CC++. I hope you know. We will pass the parameters from main function. Based on these parameters, functions gets executed. Clear? Let us see. For example, function ABC, integer A, just I am giving. Open bracket and closing brackets. Okay, C++ is mandatory, guys, if another like 10 technologies coming to the market. Object-oriented programming language. That is the base. Okay, yeah, here if I write console dot write line, okay, I can say yeah. So how can I pass it? Main function. Okay, I can open like this. Guys. Okay, integer a equal to 10. Okay, how can you call that function? ABC. If I pass a, that's it. So what does that mean? Parameter dot JSON, it contains all the parameters of what is that? Main template that are required to automate infrastructure in Azure cloud. Clear? So here parameter.json just we will pass. What is that? Parameters like location, east US. Okay. Storage account name, my storage. Okay. LRS or ZRS. Okay. Replication. LRS or ZRS is the replication. Next, this is the public or private. Public. What is that? Public. So these parameters we will pass in, where is that? Parameter.json. So parameter.json, we have to pass the parameters. We have to pass the parameters. Based on that, automatically it gets created in Azure Cloud Computing. Okay, template.json, this is one-time activity. This is the standard. It won't be changed again and again. Okay, yeah. So each and every ARM template, it contains how many files? Template.json, parameter.json. Okay, so in place of ARM, Microsoft, as I said, they are going to introduce bicep. Okay, so if I go to Google, ARM and bicep. Okay, ARM and bicep. What is the bicep? Actually, they have introduced October 4th. Okay. So last 6 months, they have introduced little bit that is. See, they are giving comparison between JSON and Bicep. If we have JSON like this much code, okay, Bicep is just reducing half of the code. Okay, forget about Bicep, that is the new. Let's see how much they will implement. Okay, yeah, next. That is about Bicep. What is the Bicep? Bicep is a domain-specific language that declarative syntax to deploy Azure resources. In Bicep file, you can determine infrastructure you want to deploy in Azure. Then use the file without what is that developing life cycle to repeatedly deploy your infrastructure. Repeatedly deploy your infrastructure. Okay, right now have a look. This is the resource groups. I have multiple resource group. I will go and delete it one by one. Okay, go ahead and delete it. Okay, yeah. Now I have only one file. Let me delete this as well. Why do you require? Okay, let me delete PowerShell as well. Yeah, refresh. Okay, let it be. I am going to create one resource group, fresh resource group. Okay, yeah, here a resource group I am giving um, .NET 2024 arch. Okay, next. So do you see here it is showing what is that? A template for automation. Have you observed? Okay, I did not create. If I go on create, then it will go on deploy this resource group on top of Azure Cloud. Okay, now download a template for automation. This is the what? ARM templates, guys. Okay, this is what ARM templates. Clear? Yeah, next try to download. Okay, so this is the ARM template. If we observe, this is the template.json. Okay, this is the template.json. Have we observed the template.json? It contains schema parameters. Schema parameters. So this is we can access the schema just to copy the URL and paste it. Don't try to understand this schema. So they have developed like this. Okay, just it is schema by pulling the all the parameters from this schema. See, around I have how many files? 1,146 files. Okay, this schema will get changed, guys. Now it is showing 1146, right? So maybe you can expect next week like 2000 or 1000. Okay, based on what is that? They are keep changing this schema outside. So this is the quite common schema. The parameter is mandatory in ARM template. Without mentioning that, the template cannot get executed. Okay, so this is what schema. Okay, yeah, now we can copy and paste it. Okay, so this is the total file. Okay, yeah, next, now try to download it. See, okay, now right click, extract. See, these are all the two files, template.json, parameter.json. Now right click, copy. Okay, new folder. I am giving uh, RG. Okay, RG placement. Okay, now try to open parameter, right click, open it in Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio is different, Visual Studio Code is different, as I said. See guys, this is the schema. Okay, yeah, next. So resource name, RG name, I have passed .NET 2024-RG. Location East US. So I am not happy with .NET 2024 RG with this name. What I will do now, my TCS 2020, my TCS 2024 RG. Yeah, Control S, save it. Okay. Yeah. Now minimize the window. If I go for parameter.json, right click and open. Okay, this is the template.json. It contains same the schema, guys. The schema. Now go on paste it. Okay, same schema. Just now I have shown. Okay, clear? Okay, now see if I go on verify my Azure subscription, okay, still resources are getting deleted. Let them. Okay, yeah. So let it be. We'll see later. Now I would like to deploy these ARM template. These ARM template help me to create one resource group using ARM templates. ARM template comes under what? IAC, guys. Infrastructure as a code. Infrastructure as a code. People will call it as IAAC, infrastructure as a code, or simply nowadays people are calling it as IAC, guys. Infrastructure as a code, IAC. Clear? Next. So what all things comes under IAC, guys? Any idea? I said one is PowerShell. Second, shell scripting. Third one, ARM template. Fourth one, come on. Yesterday I discussed it.
Terraform.
Okay. Yeah. Next. Now I want to deploy this ARM template. Refresh one time. I still it is deployed. .NET 2025. What is there? VM is there. Let us wait for a couple of minutes. I will clean up all these resource groups. Go and refresh. Got deleted. Okay, fine. Since it will take some time to reflect it. Now, here just to go for template. In global search, go ahead and verify templates. Okay, here we will maintain our ARM template space. This is the location where we will maintain ARM template. Okay, already there was one template. I'm going to delete it. Okay, yeah, try to understand. So this is the what? Template.json. It template.json, it contains structure. Okay, so schema. Okay, and it contains version 1.0 is the version, and see RG name by default it is taking it as a string. Okay, RG location it is the string. Got it? I shown you one function, right? Like this. Okay, we can declare the variables. Okay, integer a. Okay, declare the variables like integer a equal to 10. Okay, so yeah, like this, guys. Sorry, like this integer a. So what does that mean? We declare the variable actual value we are passing from main. Same way, okay, this is the structure, template.json, this is the standard. Okay, this is the JSON language, guys, JavaScript object notation. Okay, yeah, next. So if I create storage account, here we can see many structures, many structure in the sense storage account name, location, and LRS or ZRS, type of mutable or immutable, or type of data replication. All these things we have to declare. This is the just what is that? The source group. I could see only two parameters declaration. Okay, this is the string type, guys. String. Why? Because each and every parameter we are passing like a string type. Okay, here I am mentioning integer a equal to integer a. Can I say string yes? Yes or no, guys? Okay, boolean value true or false. Okay, bool value. Like that, we will pass these parameters from other file. Okay, that is exactly parameter.json, guys. This is the one. From here, I am passing the my TCS 2024 East US. Okay, let it be. Now I am going to upload this template. Okay, create template. Okay, the template name is my RG. What is that? My RG. Okay, description also we can mention like this. Description also we can mention like this. Just add. Okay, template got added. Okay, yeah, if I go and see, this is empty. Just I have provided the name, that's it. Okay, if I go for ARM template, see, it is empty. So it's also contain what schema, guys. Same, whatever I shown you, right? It is the schema. This is the main schema. Okay, so the schema which I have verified in resource group, from this schema, they have consumed little bit. There we have the code around how many lines, guys? Did I show you? How many lines?
1164.
1164. Now here see how many lines of code? 8250. So from this schema, how much is required to create the resource group that has consumed? That is what I want to say. Okay. Yeah. So forget about it. I do not want these things. I am deleting it. It's in like a form, guys. Okay. Why ARM template means to automate infrastructure in Azure cloud. Just it is like a form. For example, you would like to subscribe for Gmail. What is the form? Your first name, one text box. Your middle name, one text box. Last name, one text box. Your age, date of birth, and employee, and submit it. Am I right? This is the form. But after fill this form, you will submit it. Based on that, how the Gmail getting created, right? Same way, here we have to paste that ARM template that will give you the form. Okay. Now see, this is the template.json. Now what I will do now, copy and paste it. See, okay. After that, just try to save it. Okay. Yeah. So this is the template. Now, if I try to deploy, look at my screen, try to deploy. See, this is the form, guys. Okay, this is the form. I do not want fill the form here. There is a one option called edit parameter. See, in edit parameter, RG name showing null, location null, etc. etc. So already we have the what? Parameter.json. Load the file. Load, navigate to desktop, RG parameter.json. See now, whatever the parameters we have mentioned, now those values has been replaced with actual parameters. This is the, okay. Now just save it. See, it has been filled up. Okay. Here it is showing something else selected. So it has been deleted, right? So that's what. Second, I will do small modification. It is expecting resource group as a mandate. I, I will provide. Okay. Yeah. Now go to templates. Templates. Okay. My RG. Deploy. If you want to see the preview of the template, view template, it will takes us into coding file. Leave it. Now deploy. Okay. Edit parameter. Load the file. Parameter.json. Yes, save it. Okay. Here I am choosing my wiki. Agree. Purchase it. Spell underline. Sometimes marketplace market keywords it won't accept. Let us see. This deployment template is provided the value of the parameter tags are not valid. Okay, you can leave it. Okay, first time deployment is failed, try to submit it again, guys. Backend due to some issues, you may experience these kind of issues. Okay, fine. So resource group, it should success 100%. Let us wait for one. I will choose another resource group. They have they have limitation to create new resource group. Apart from that, nothing. Templates. Deploy. Parameter. Load parameter.json apply. Okay, fine. So it is in progress. Now, can I create a resource storage account? It has some issue. Why? Because already resource group, it is giving the parameters. So we are trying to create new resource group. They are not allowing us to create it. Are you getting? Okay, for example, if I go for this template, what is happening now when I try to deploy that would be the cause. Recently they have changed. Uh, okay, deployed. So see, this already form Microsoft providing. This is what we have designed. Okay, already they are providing these information. Which information? Subscription resource group. If we are trying to create another resource group, it is not allowing me. Okay, so might be that is the cause. Okay, Microsoft saying that already we have these template. Again, why you are using this template? That is what. Okay, I am entering manually in the form itself. Instead of uploading the template, I am entering. Let's see this time if anything gets success. Yeah, it's fine. So that is what actually already we are providing these details. Why you are creating again? That is what it is throwing an error. Now, what I will do now, I will try to create one storage account, guys. I will try to create one storage account. Okay, how to create? See, I am not going to create, just I will pull the parameters. Okay, I would like to deploy my TCS-RG, my storage 2024-01-21. Okay, yeah, here I am giving local redundant storage. Go to advanced, next, 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 next. See, here it is a template. Okay, downloaded template for automation. Yes, download it. See, this is the one. Now right click, extract it. Okay, copy these two. Okay, create another directory in desktop storage. Paste it. Okay, I will try to deploy these 10. Now close it, close, close. Okay, yeah. Now go to templates. This is what JSON template. Okay, try to create fresh template. Okay, my storage. Next, so this is the ARM template. Now leave it. I am going to open my custom template, storage template.json. Okay, just to copy this code. See guys, if you observe, this is the syntax. Location string, storage account name string, account type string, okay, minimal version string, allow public access. Okay, allow public access Boolean value. True or false, we will pass it. So as I said, right, base language for development is what? Object-oriented programming language, that is C, C++. Next, Java.NET kernel, guys. Okay, so now what I will do now, just to copy and paste it. Look at my screen, keep an eye, go to here, paste it. Okay, yeah. See, it is taken, what is that? Schema. If I go and access this schema, okay, see, main template schema. Okay, same guys. Now, go ahead and add it. So this is the template.json, template.json. Now go to this template. Okay, my storage, deploy. See guys, this is the form. If you want, enter the form, enter and submit it according to that storage account will be created. Okay, see, by default, these details Microsoft has provided. Just you have to choose under which resource group your storage account should be created. See, it has to be, I'm choosing one reference file. What is that? My TCS. Okay, remaining all, you can upload, edit, parameter. It is showing null. Load the file. Okay, this time, what is that? Storage parameter.json. See, what is the storage account name? My storage 2024-01 January 21st. Now just save it. See guys, automatically you are getting same values in this one. Now agree terms and conditions, purchase it. So now one storage account will be created using ARM template. What is the name guys? My storage with today's timestamp. I am taking duplicate tab. If I go and verify, I do not have any storage account except one. So go to storage account. See, I have only one storage account. This is the one. Okay, let's go and deploy, purchase. Deployment is in progress. Okay, go to storage account, refresh. Still deployment is in progress. So I have deployed these template to automate storage account in Azure. Okay, for every service, Microsoft started applying Copilot, guys. Okay, yeah, that is another new innovation, and it is going to be high popular in the market. Operation performing the storage account that required exclusively access code. Yeah. See, it is not right. Okay, I will try to redeploy. This seems even I try to delete the what is that resource group. It's not reflecting. Might be some issue is backend. Okay, I will try to redeploy it. So resource group name I am passing my Wipro. Okay, yeah, I agree. Purchase it. I am changing storage account name, guys. Might be it would be some issue. So what I will do now, I will change storage account name. Go to parameter.json. I am giving some ABC, just name. Okay, might be that is the duplicate value. Due to that, it is showing an error. Just I am checking. Apart from that, nothing. Okay, yeah. Next, now go to templates. my storage, deploy. Okay, so my TCS-RG edit parameter.json, upload parameter.json. I am giving ABC. Okay, yeah, next scroll down, save it. Okay, agree terms and conditions, purchase it. Okay, deployment is in progress. If people try it out, guys, is it same issue?
Yes, sir. Same.
I will try to deploy one virtual machine, guys. Let us see. Okay, Windows Server 2020. Download a template. Yeah, download. Okay, template 3. Extract it. Maybe there would be a portal issue, guys. Let us check final this one. Templates. Okay, create. I am giving VM create and VM create. Okay, yeah. Now upload template. Downloads. Okay, template. Copy. Add it. Okay, template got saved. VM create. Okay, deploy. Edit parameter. Load the file. So this time, go to downloads. Okay, template.json, parameter.json, save. So VM name should create, what is that? Test. VM name would be test. Okay, now you should create under my TCS-RG. Let us check, guys. Agree? Okay, here password SharePoint @ 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, access. Just to submit it, let us verify. Yes, it is created. There will be some storage account might be they have changed it. Let us check if it is success or fail. It's also everything it is in creation. It is also in progress to deploy the VM. Today it's taking long time that Azure portal. Okay, now go to virtual machine. Still not yet created. It is in progress. It is taking some time. VM has been created. Clear? So yeah, so it is almost in progress. Okay, let us wait. So anyhow, service is getting created. Okay, yeah. So anyhow, it 100% it should get success. Still showing in creating. So actually, it shouldn't take this much time. Max 1 or 2 minutes. There would be some backend issue. Okay. Yeah. So this is failed. Call out resource group version. Provisioning statement. Yeah, backend there would be issue, guys. Same thing I will repeat it in tomorrow session. Okay, we'll see. Okay, guys. One thing we have to verify whether they are supporting these ARM templates or not now. Maybe they are backend replacing with bicep. Okay, but 100% it should success 100%. What I will do not tomorrow, I will repeat same thing. Okay, tomorrow I will take the session at 7 o'clock. Okay, guys, clear? Hello?
Okay, sir.
So 7 to 8.
Yeah, 7 to 8.
Okay, sir.
So same, whatever I explained today, right? I will try it out tomorrow. 100% it should success. Then once it is done, we will go for how to design same Terraform template, how we can process using DevOps pipelines. Okay. Tomorrow you'll finish it off. Day after tomorrow, maximum we will complete it AKS. That is the two. If people try it out, that actually it shouldn't take this much. Even when I try to delete resource group back and it is showing everything. Okay. Refresh. Still it is showing backend. There would be some issue at backend in Azure portal. So it would be resolved by today. So tomorrow, same things I will repeat it. 7 o'clock, we will start the batch. Okay. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, everyone. Tomorrow I'll connect back. Bye. Have a great day.
Same to you, sir. Thank you.
Bye.